Hey guys, I want to give you an honest review of this bird feeder. So this bird feeder here has a squirrel cage around it, so squirrels cannot get to the food. He's been trying for a really long time. He even knows there's a top on it. He's trying to pull the top off. But the top actually has a nice wire snap down, so he can't open it. So if you're looking for a bird feeder that doesn't feed the squirrels, like this one does. What is that? See those squirrels climbing down to get into that bird feeder? The truth is in the pictures. No squirrel. Squirrel's gonna get all the bird food. Couldn't be a better review than this, right?